Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well. It is day 12, Friday. It's day 12 for the seed propagators. Let's have a look at these trays. I think today's the last day that a lot of these are going to be in the propagator trays. I'm going to up pot them into some cups and we'll go from there. Let's have a little update. Tabasco's looking great. We've got 3 lovely ones there. Jalapeno, not much on the true leaves, but they're looking nice. I mean, the seed leaves looking great. Buena Mulata, crazy leaves. Look at that. Looking good though. And the dream catchers, look at that. The true leaves already got like a green stripe through them. Really nice. And the Scotch bonnets. Okay, let's have a look at tray 2. Alrighty, tray 2. We got the Armageddons looking nice, lovely dark leaves, and first couple of true leaves coming in. Beautiful, they weren't there yesterday. The leggy friends of Brangie. Looking good. I might have to thin that one out today, I think, because we've got plenty to choose from. Yep. Large orange tie. Coming along nicely. Alright, let's check tray 3. Okay, tray 3. Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. This cell doesn't look too healthy. I don't know, I think we'll... Might just be early days still, but who knows? Let's see. He's looking good. He's looking great. Ghost peppers. Nice short growth on them. Lovely leaves coming in. Carolina Reapers. They've got a bit taller. I want to pull those the seed casing off, but I think it's just going to pluck the plant, so we'll leave it alone. Habanero. Another habanero. The Carolina Reaper's looking good, as is that one. And then the Zimbabwe Black. Looking very nice. Lovely leaves. And look at that true leaf. Fantastic. Okay, tray 4. Okay, tray 4. I think we definitely need to do some transplanting and up-potting for the Kashmiri Merch. We got some good true leaves showing now. Look at those, really nice. Look at that one, beautiful. I only wanted about 3 of the Kashmiri Merch plants, so I shall keep these in the smaller pots and give them away, and well, if anybody wants one, let me know. Poblano, they're looking good, they're opening up now. Wow. It's amazing what difference a day makes. The Padron, both with some true leaves there. Sweet Banana, that's grown lovely. Mikayans. Look at that. So happy with those results. Black jalapeno. Coming along, slowly but surely. And then the Scotch bonnet MOAs. Second one has popped. Just fantastic. Okay, so tomorrow there's going to be a lot of transplants. I'm going to get these all into the cups. I'll pot them as I need to. Change the soil, get the fertilizer on them. Not full strength, probably about half the strength. They had like just shy of a quarter when they first went in. Yeah, wonderful stuff. Thank you for watching. Hope you're doing well. Enjoying the weather. It's just a typical nothing but rain here. Cold, miserable, windy. So, that being said, have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself Make sure you take care of me, myself and I. No one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a great day. Enjoy it. Live it up. And I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.